Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be making some chicken soup. So this is Jamaican best. So on a Saturday, Jamaicans like to make their chicken soup, whether you want to put some chicken neck in there, some chicken foot, or chicken soup, whatever you want to add to it. We love cook our chicken soup on a Saturday. So first we're going to clean the chicken, right, just like what we're doing now, and wash with some vinegar. So for the chicken breast, we're going to do the same procedure. So we're removing the skin from the chicken breast, and after removing the skin, we're just going to cut it into smaller pieces, right? So we're going to do that. So after cleaning the meat, this is how they are looking. So what we're doing now is to pressure the meat. So we added some water, just enough to pressure the meat. After pressuring for 10 minutes, they are cooked. So you can just use your fork to test if they are cooked, right? So you can see that they are cooked because the fork penetrates through the meat very easily. Or if you don't afraid, you can just take a piece of the chicken foot or the chicken neck and you can taste it if it cooked. Alright, next we're going to make the dough or the dumpling for the soup. As you know, so you have to put in the dumpling first before you start putting in the ground provision like the sweet potato or the Irish and so forth. So we added 1.5 cups of flour and 1/2 cup of cornmeal. Now we're blending everything to combine the flour and the cornmeal. In making the dough, you're going to add little by little water to the blended cornmeal and flour to mold a dough. So for the vegetables, we have here onion, we have carrots, garlic, thyme or green onion, Irish potato, Scotch bonnet pepper. We have the dough or sweet potato, yellow yam, and pumpkin. We also have here some crushed pimento seeds. So we're just going to peel these and prep them for the pot. We soon come back. So we added some pimento seed and Irish potato, also carrots, to the pressured meat. Next, we're going to make the dough for the soup. So we just are going to make a little dumpling them and a little spinners and put them in the pot. You don't know the gist already. Alright guys, so for the ground provision, we're just going to peel them. So we're going to peel our Irish potato, scrape our carrot, or sweet potato, and our yellow yam. And we just have to prepare them to go into the pot. Alright, time for how to food them now. So we had a good old Scotch bonnet. Going to cut the sweet potato into small pieces depending on the size you want. You can cut it based on your preference. Or a pumpkin, and also our yellow yam. Next, we're going to cut the corn into smaller pieces. If you like them in bigger chunks, you can go ahead and cut them into bigger chunks. Okay guys, so this is what we do to get our soup very rich and thick. So we're removing the pumpkin from the pot and we're going to blend the pumpkin. So in blending the pumpkin, we're going to add half cup of water and we're going to blend until it is smooth. So we're just going to add some boiling water to the cock soup, then we're going to sieve the noodles from it. Okay guys, so this is how our soup is looking. Look at our sweet potato, they're almost cooked. Our scotch bonnet pepper, our chicken neck, our chicken foot, but we are not finished as yet guys. We're going to add the blended pumpkin to the soup. So we're just going to leave it to simmer for about 5 minutes. Our rich and thick chicken soup, Jamaican Saturday best. I do hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a thumbs up, like, comment and share. Are you a lover of cow skin soup? Check this video out.